And if you are doing liquid gunpowder, it's not necessary doing a base gels. You can just using chamfer foil gels right away. And we're gonna keep it for 30 seconds. So, just in the meantime, we're gonna look at this. Cute. So I would think like this, okay? It will look different as the glitter you select underneath. I'm not gonna lie to you. I did this we're gonna see both the pictures come in. It's really cool. I did this on one of my clients, sweet clients, this color, but it looks really cool with the green. This blast of colors will be back in stock next week. Touch of colors is really awesome. It's still in the stock right now, and I'm fascinating about how this is 3-dimension. So this one, it looks even dimensional than this. This one, it looks pretty. And then when we try it, and both me and Ali's, oh my god, Nancy, it looks so cool though. Right? It looks so cool though. And I was thinking of this. We're gonna probably build the frame with this touch of colors and condensed glue gels. Maybe a next video or next videos. All right. We're almost doing. Let's see. Live as I have to like doing a color tomorrow for us. So I have the, remember that yesterday we hold the list. I still have a list on it. I just want to get the set of a good theme, so then if you ladies get back to salon, the clients send you the picture of the milk bath nail or fruit, you can have fun create it. Make sure you get into the cuticles. So awesome. Get more. Just if you miss anything, you just like it back up. I think you didn't press this one right here. Looks good. Make sure you press it firmly. Oh, it's stick on, really cool. Okay, so I am going to using, sorry, chamfer, whole piece off. Condensed glue gel. No, actually, I'm gonna do some veins on this, okay? Using my black gel painting. I love this. We have jet black in the pot. You can use either one using this with your twin tip brush. So I have about 50 seconds remaining on this on Instagram. So we'll be right back, ladies. Please come back to me.